Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be making fried konnyaku. If you are new to cooking with konnyaku, this fried konjac is a must-try. It's crunchy, chewy, and so delicious that you will want to eat it non-stop. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1 block of konnyaku, oil. For marinade, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a little of grated ginger, a little of grated garlic. For breading, 1 egg, 2 to 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Step 1. Make lattice-like cuts on both surfaces on the konjac block. Then cut it into bite-sized cubes. Step 2. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the konnyaku and boil for 2 minutes. Drain the konnyaku and pat it dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Step 3. Combine the boiled konnyaku, soy sauce, grated ginger, and grated garlic in a bowl, and toast to coat evenly. Let the konjac marinate for at least 5 minutes. Step 4. Set up 3 shallow bowls with flour, beating egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat each piece of konnyaku in the flour, dip it in the beating egg, and finally cover it with panko breadcrumbs. Step 5. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the breaded konnyaku until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Place them on a wire rack or paper towel to remove excess oil. Place the fried konnyaku on a plate and serve them with a dipping sauce of your choice. I hope you will enjoy this crunchy fried konnyaku. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.